Alright, so it's Saturday and I am working on replacing a tandem set, which is already out. I've got the new ones out on the ground. My buddy's downstairs getting ready for crane guy to get that rigged up, and we fly the new ones up here. Working on a hospital. I've got the unit off so far. That fuse blew. 110. Contactors are still good. First circuit is the circuit we're replacing. So we'll fly the new ones up here. Then I've got to go pick up some refrigerant and look for some other materials. But that's the main hospital right there. This is a professional building. Got a bunch of doctors and specialists that practice here during the week, Monday through Friday, so Saturdays, Sundays. Usually, what's here is a good time to do work. There's the crane right there, dolly cart. Already flew the old ones down. I'm about to rig the new ones up, bring them up here, fly them up. But that's what I'm getting into today. So I want to get out of here, you know, not waste too much time. So I'm not gonna make a whole video about it, but just something, day in the life.